Alright, as you can see, I got some paper, a few little pieces of wood, onion peel, garlic peel. Just because why not? Adding some hot coals. Just to get it going. And then I'll be adding wood. Alright, cast iron Dutch oven is over the fire. There's a little bit of canola oil in it. I am dropping 1 garlic clove in, mainly just to help me know when it's heated up. Alright, now I have some hamburger that I put in the patties. Just got steak seasoning, salt and pepper, garlic powder, and chili powder. We're not cooking these fully, we're just gonna get them a little charred up. Along with that, I am putting on 1 whole onion, garlic cloves, 2 green peppers. Just to kind of char them up a little. Lost the pepper. As you can see, it's not fully done because we don't want it fully done. But doing it this way will impart some of the smoky flavor. A lot of people do it. The meat over top the pot and let it drip in. This will get you the same result. Alright, this is just salt, pepper, garlic powder, of course, chili powder. Some people use chili seasoning packets. I'm not a fan. Good old chili powder. A lot of it. Next, we're going in with some dark kidney beans, just canned, juice and all. Some light kidney beans. And a mixed chili bean. my choice. Ball's girl's choice. Can of diced tomatoes. Another can of diced tomatoes. And a third can of diced tomatoes.